We all agree that there is no limit to the number of edits we can make to a photograph to make it look alive. To capture the imagination of the final image output, editing apps help a great deal. Hence, AppsHive brings to you 5 unique photo editing applications that you must give a try. The first app that we will check out is the Litex app. Here, I have an image of a bald man with a wide smile. I'm going to hit Edit and tap on the backdrop. I'll select this shiny background and swipe the magic brush through the empty space. Next, I'm going to change this man's coat into something catchy. And here you have a quirky picture. There are many other tools that you can try your hands on. Litex app also shows the currently trending tools. There are literally dozens of video tutorials for amateur editors to discover and learn the use of each tool present on this app. There's also a Litex Pro version that you can subscribe to access better templates and elements. The second app on our list is the Pixart app. I hit Edit a picture, and after selecting the photo, I hit on Tools and then Stretch. How often do you turn your friends' pictures into memes? Believe me, this app is definitely going to help you transform the sober photographs into funny ones. You will be able to troll your friends through this very easily. If you are a vlogger like me, you will love this tool. This is going to help you a lot in designing the thumbnails of your videos. You can select portions of the image and easily remove the backgrounds. Lastly, Pixart is very famous for making collages. You can select multiple photos together and try different frames. There are weekly challenges that you can participate in. Don't miss out on checking the inspiring and edits by masters displayed on the app. You can also search edited photos via hashtags. Pixart is a platform where you can stalk the profiles of talented creators from across the globe and also follow them. The third photo editing application we picked is the Pixlr app. If you think you are bored of flaunting that blue jacket of yours, you can change the color of your outfits. Secondly, you can use the red eye remover tool in Pixlr to fix those red eyes. This will help you so much in posting good quality photos. Also, the auto fix and auto contrast fixing tools are great for adjusting the color shades of your photos. There are numerous templates for collages. You can select pictures and adjust the frames accordingly. Up next, we're going to explore the Prisma app. Think twice and answer me. How many times have you dumped the plan of posting a picture only because the background is not very attractive? Well, not anymore. You can completely replace the backgrounds of your photographs with this tool. Trust me, some of these backgrounds are very cool and attractive. You can try out various available filters and enhance the look and feel of your photos. Also, tap on the plus sign to discover more filters. Like every other photo editing app, you can adjust the exposure, color contrast, brightness, saturation, and other effects in the photos. There are some pretty exciting frames that you can set your pictures in the center of. The last pick in the photo editing apps category is Afterlight. When it comes to adjusting the contrast, brightness, color hues, exposure, brightness, color, shadow tones, color palettes, etc., Afterlight is the best app. You can also change the black and white shades of the photo. The overlay effect will enable you to change the look of your picture. You can mask pictures under the alphabets and figures. You can choose a frame and then, furthermore, add designs to the same. One thing is sure, photo editing helps the users go a step closer to the final product he or she had imagined while clicking the photo. You have every reason to download a photo editor app to help you keep your pictures in good shape for as long as you want. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content from Team AppsHive. Visit our website today.